Do you know why Shiva came to Tiruvannamalai? So watch till the end. This is season 1, episode 5 of my series. Long ago, Brahma and Vishnu disputes for the supremacy among them. Brahma said, I am the creator, so I deserve to be a supreme. Vishnu replied, I am the protector, without me nothing survives. The fight continued, the universe began to fall. The sun and the moon lost their rhythm. The wind stopped blowing. The oceans churned. Devas panicked and sages cried out. Seasons broke. Shiva heard the cries of all beings. So they believed the universe started its destructions too early. Seeing Vishnu and Brahma trapped in a fight, Shiva appeared as a pillar of blazing fire between the heaven and the earth. Universe went silent. Shiva spoke that those who find the beginning and the end of this fire pillar can deserve to be the supreme. Vishnu moved first in a form of Varaha, the boar, plunged into the earth for thousands of years in searching for the end of this fire. But he finally failed and understood there is no end, so he returned not in defeat, in humility. And Brahma began to flew upwards in a form of swan in searching of the head of this fire pillar, past clouds, stars and worlds. But the fire stretched higher still. Exhausted, and he too failed. Both stood before the pillar in humility and throned their arrogance and asked for mercy with Shiva. But still, the column of fire was fierce, and all devas were panicked and approached Shiva to calm down for the goodness of the world. Shiva listened, and the fire cooled and settled. And the blazing fire condensed into the earth and rose as a mountain. This mountain is Arunachala. Aruna means fire, and Chala means unmoving hill. So every year, devotees lit a deepam on its summit to remember this mountain was once a living fire and Shiva is still here and worshipable. This is fire element temple of Shiva's Panchabuddha Sthalas. Shiva stood as a column of fire and worshipped as a Agni Lingam. If you like this video, comment Har Har Mahadev.